We are getting so close to starting the G37 front conversion. I am so stoked. For those of you guys that don't know, we are going to be swapping out the entire front end for a G37. We're getting very, very close. I think we pretty much have about everything we need, minus just a few parts. So that is going to be taking place very, very soon. I want to start it at 5,000 subscribers. So if you guys are not already subscribed and you guys watch my videos, or if you're new here, please take the time to scroll down a little bit, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification because we have a lot of exciting things to go down with this build. We're going to be focusing on the rear end. As you can see, we have the taillights removed. I have them right here. I'm restoring them for the new owner. That's right, guys. I sold my 06 taillights. These things are mint, but we got them sold, and the reason for it is we got something new right here. So as you can see, I already went ahead and opened them and checked them out. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we are going to be installing now today. So these are pretty much brand new, guys. These are brand new 06 models as well. Black housing taillights. These things are pretty sick. I am a little disappointed, however, because on the ad it showed that all of this in there, where the chrome is, right there and right there, was all blacked out, and it showed that the red was like kind of smoked out in a way. So it really kind of bummed me out, but at the same time it really does not look that bad. So I already know we will be opening these up hopefully sometime in the near future, and I think I'm going to end up doing some custom work, possibly maybe just at least paint all those black, because you guys know I don't run those. I disconnected them on that set, which are now all hooked back up again for the new owner, but we had them disconnected. I just like the way just the ring looks, but we're gonna be rocking it like this for a little bit. I think these are gonna look pretty cool. But first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and bring these inside, and we're gonna get some wrap put down on it. As you guys know, I have a little piece that I always do. It's always like this and then comes up. I think it looks really cool when you match that to the car. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm super stoked for it. Comment below and hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and get these put on. All right, so we got some knifeless tape laid down right here, going around, coming down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap all of this white. It just makes such a big difference. I honestly love it, and it's different because I had never seen anybody else do this. I've been doing this since I first ever got my G35, and I just love how it looks. I think it looks really cool. I just really wish these were smoked out, but I mean, it's not that bad though. What do you guys think? Smash that thumbs up if you guys like it. Alright guys, so I actually disconnected these lights because like I said, I don't like when those light up. I just like just the ring. So what you're going to want to do is if you twist this off, you'll have one which is your main plug, and then you'll have another plug here and another plug here. So the one on your left is going to be for that ring. The one on the right is going to go to like the other circuit board. What you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to try to pry that off the best you can, and it's going to disconnect these lights. But do it at your own risk, because if you decide to do this and you want to hook those back together, you now have to reopen everything back up. there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think. So we still do need to add the button, so I need to buy another one. I wanted to include the button with the other taillights for the new owner. So no big deal. I'll be getting another button. I think I'm gonna end up painting that black as well. On the other set we had it as chrome, but yeah, it doesn't look bad at all, you know, especially with this. It definitely makes it look really cool. Brings me back to my old setup. If you guys know what I'm talking about, when my car used to be Nardo gray and I had similar taillights. I still have them, they're up there, but I don't want to get them down. But yeah, we had similar taillights, but I think it's the same taillights, just on the older version taillights. But comment below, let me know what you guys think. I think this looks really, really good. I think once we get these pieces painted black, so that's not showing, and then we get the inner housing from chrome to black, I think that's gonna look awesome. So now let's go ahead and test it. Turn the taillights on, or the lights on, and it should just be just the rings lit up. Yeah, there you go. So those aren't lit up, same thing there. Cool. Let's go ahead and put the hazards on. All right. There we go. Awesome. Cool, I am so stoked to get another mod done to the car. This car has just been kind of sitting for quite some time. Haven't really been able to do anything to it because I've been collecting parts for the G37 front end, which I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got so far. But yeah, I think this looks awesome. I think it looks really good. That way we don't have the wrap anymore. It's just, you know, the normal tail light itself. But like I said, we will end up redoing these. And maybe when we do, we'll also just add the rings. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? All right, let's go ahead and head to the backyard, and I'm gonna show you guys the parts that we have. There's Woody. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come here. Hey, say hi to the vlog. Come here. Say hi to the vlog. Good boy. All right, so right over here is the pile of parts that we have. Plus I have other parts in the garage, but we have the hood, we have a fender, we have the this is a OEM G37 convertible front bumper. I like how this one looks better. I know it's not like the IPL bumper, but it's similar in a way, and we will be throwing on a lip as well. And then we have the entire front support right here. And then like I said, and then we have the bracket here, which I already just put on just so we don't lose it, right there and right there. And then I have the hood hinges as well, along with, I think that's it. So we are gonna end up having to modify this and everything to get it all to fit. So that's pretty much what we have right now. We just need the passenger fender. But somebody actually reached out to me willing to give it to me for free. I don't know, I haven't heard back from him yet. But you're a subscriber of mine, so if you're watching this, let me know. So this is pretty much it, guys, and I really want to do this at 5,000 subscribers. So as sooner you guys can hit the subscribe button and we hit 5K, we can go ahead and begin this. I'm so stoked for it. We're gonna have to tear the entire front end off, so there's quite a bit of work ahead of us. I really do want to get started, but I really want to start it at 5,000 subscribers. That's a huge goal of mine. So subscribe if you guys are not already, hit that thumbs up, and comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys are just as excited as I am, because I am so stoked for this. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know, like I said, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but the reason for it, I've been trying to just save as much as possible, trying to collect all the parts of the front end, because believe me, it is not cheap. And honestly, I've been sick, hurt my neck, so I haven't really been able to do much. So I am so stoked for these, and like I said, I have not seen anybody else with, even though they're not what the advertised, I have not seen anybody else with these taillights on their G35. So I'm pretty stoked for that. I think they look really good, but again, let me know what you guys think, and if you do like it, leave a thumbs up. I'm gonna try to start being more consistent as possible. It's a little hard because like I said, I need to save and spend the money towards that. If I'm buying little parts and then buying other modifications, it's gonna take longer until we can finally do the G37 front end. and I really want to get started on it. It's been a huge goal of mine since day one of almost owning this car. As soon as I figured out it was possible, I wanted to do it. So subscribe if you guys are not already, leave a comment, hit that thumbs up, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, guys, as always, peace out.